Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you into a little piece of my vision on the farm. I've been dreaming of transforming this space, something ordinary, into a lush, vibrant, soulful garden. And this image right here is what I see. This is the inspiration, the feeling, the mood, the vibe. So today we're starting with a simple but bold step. I'm painting the wall I just put up in this rich teal light color. It's the same color you see behind the star jasmine vine in that inspiration shoot. This color is going to set the tone, calm, earthy, and full of life. It's the beginning of creating a space that feels alive, welcoming, and full of positivity and possibility. So let's get into it. Thanks for watching, and thank you for joining my journey on transforming a bare piece of land into a beautiful, lush, centropic, and peaceful farm and garden. If you like this video and you want to see more updates of me transforming this raw land into something beautiful, follow, like, share, and comment. Thanks again.